Hi guys, the question is, in the given figure, AB is parallel to CD, angle AB is equal to 120 degrees, angle ECD equals to 100 degrees, angle B is equal to X. Then we have to find the value of X. He also gave AB is parallel to CD, parallel to FEG. Before I am going to explain you this, I am going to explain some important topics related to this question. What is transversal? What are the angles formed by that? And all. Transversal. For two or more straight lines, a transversal is any line that intersects the two straight lines at distinct points. Now, if you observe in this picture, the lines L1 and L2 are two straight lines, and a line L is intersecting these two straight lines at two distinct points. L is called a transversal. And you can observe by intersection, this line L is forming many angles. Angles 1, 2, 3, and 4 with line L1, angles 5, 6, 7, and 8 with line L2. Now, in this video, I am explaining you only about a transversal intersecting about two parallel lines, not about non-parallel lines. Now, if you consider line A and B, which are parallel lines, and a transversal P is intersecting, then it forms the angle X with both the lines. There are also many other angles when the transversal is forming with the lines at the point of intersection. What are the different angles? The different angles formed by the transversal with parallel lines are corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, and co-interior angles. First, I am explaining about corresponding angles. Corresponding angles, if a line intersects two parallel lines, consider that is a transversal, then the angles that are formed at the same relative position at the each point of intersection, then those angles are called corresponding angles. Means that angles should be same at both the intersection points. Means here if you consider angle 1, then the angle 5, and in the same way angle 2 and angle 6, they are at same relative position. Means right side to the transversal at the top place, angle 3 right side to the transversal in the bottom place. So the corresponding angle pairs in the given figure are angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 7, angle 3 and angle 8. These are the pair of corresponding angles formed by transversal. Every time the pair of corresponding angles values will be equal. Now, alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angles. When a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then the angles formed in between the parallel lines but on the opposite sides of the transversal, those are called alternate interior angles. If you see here, angle 4, angle 3, angle 6 and angle 5. These are the four angles that are formed in between the parallel lines. Now, opposite to the transversal means angle 4 and angle 5 are opposite to the transversal. Therefore, they are pair of alternate interior angles, angle 4 and angle 5 in the same way, angle 3 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 6. The pair of alternate interior angle values are also same. Now, alternate exterior angles. The angles formed by transversal when it is intersecting two parallel lines, the angles formed at the outside the parallel lines but on the opposite side of the transversal, then those are called alternate exterior angles. Here, outside the parallel lines means angle 2, angle 1, angle 8 and angle 7 are outside the parallel lines. Now, opposite to the transversal means angle 2 and angle 7 are opposite to the transversal, opposite sides of the transversal. So angle 2 and angle 7 is one pair and angle 1 and angle 8 is another pair. The values of alternate exterior, the values of pairs of alternate exterior angles are always equal. Now, the important one which is useful for our solution of the problem is co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are the angles which are formed by the transversal at the intersection points which are in between the parallel lines on the same side of the transversal are called as co-interior angles. Here you can see angle 3 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5. These are the pairs of co-interior angles. Now, the important one is the sum of co-interior angles is always 180 degrees. We can say the co-interior angles are supplementary. The important points regarding all these four are, these are useful for your problem solving point of view. Each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Each pair of alternate angles or alternate interior angles are equal. Each pair of alternate exterior angles are equal. Each pair of co-interior angles are supplementary, which means the sum of the co-interior angles are 180 degrees. Now, coming to our question. He gave that AB is parallel to CD and also parallel to FEG. So if we consider this line AB is parallel to FEG, now we can consider this line BE as a transversal. If you observe this angle ABE and angle BEG are alternate interior angles because these are the opposite sides of the transversal and also in between the parallel lines, this angle ABE and angle, this one, angle BEG. Since they are alternate interior angles, we know that alternate interior angle pairs angles are equal. Angle ABE is equal to angle BEG is equal to 120 degrees. Therefore, we got this angle BEG as 120 degrees. In the same way, CD is parallel to FEG. If we consider this CE as a transversal, we observe that angle DCE and angle CEG are co-interior angles, means they lie inside the parallel lines and on the same side of the transversal. So, angle DCE and angle CEG are co-interior angles. Therefore, their sum is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle DCE plus angle CEG is equal to 180 degrees. Here it is given angle DCE as 100 degrees. (100 degrees) plus angle CEG is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle CEG is equal to 80 degrees. Given that we got that angle BEG is equal to 120 degrees. Angle BEG is equal to angle BEC plus angle CEG. BEG is 120 degrees and BEC is X plus CEG equal to 80 degrees. Therefore, the value of X which is required to find is 120 minus 80, that is equal to 40 degrees. We got the value of X. Hope you all understood the solution. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.